Hi everyone and welcome again. Today we say a new thing. Last listen we say this thing a lot. Okay, think it's very important to make a thing of uh, now and to say a thing is important. After made or when you made a thing object, the last picture or the image how to look and how to look in camera or and last step. Okay, we go to render and we click on render image. In render image, we can see the finish results. Okay, and this is good to see how your 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 uh, your your mate going. Okay, he it have other side to see, but we just wait. You see that the finished results, how to see, and another step, like your image made it. Okay, this. What else? And and this animation to see the object elimination. Okay, we go to medium to know another thing, using use to to help uh, for creative or anything. Now we I don't know what don't work about. Okay. Just wait. What's the problem was? Okay, again and again and again. This is, oh, this thing. Oh, I see. Okay, you know how to work this and this. Now, this. That's not very important. But to add the cup, just how? Now, we say that how to work. Okay, like, move this to control the ports. Okay, like I want to okay, you see this ports, for example, this for control the ports. How what what say in last lesson we click in Control Z to come back. Control Z. Okay, this for control the ports. Yeah, this to control the light. For example, this light. Okay, and what's the last thing? It's to control the face. For example, this face. Like it's so easy. Just try. this and this or red or what you like. Okay. And you can use point or like light face or anything. Uh, it just work it is magic. uh, yeah. See how, for example, the ugly was just face. No, no, yeah, every face, every single face. Okay, like I was to control this. But no, no, use face. It's for example that like pizza. You see, the last thing in our lesson, we usually face, always face. Yes. Wow. Um. Mhm. Okay. Well, for example, this you can mm, uh, make anything you you think about. Okay. This is the last finish our lesson, and thank you for watching. See you another video. Bye.